Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got a special car for you today. This baby is really rare. It's a 1959 retractable Fairlane 500. They call them Skyliners, and she is beautiful. Now, I've seen quite a few of these cars. I may have seen half of them that they ever built. I'm not sure what the actual build number is on them, but I've seen a lot of them because my dad was a 57 Ford guy. As a matter of fact, I still have his original 57 Ford. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Everything works on it. It's been on the rotisserie, so the bottom side's just as nice as the top. The color combination on it is killer. I just absolutely love it. The quality of the paint job, also beautiful. The quality of the trim, all the emblems, everything just looking beautiful. As you look down the side of it, you can see that gray paint. It's just got some beautiful reflections in it. Those reflections tell you that it is flat as a pancake and done just so well, it's unbelievable. Now, when you get this thing to a car show, you're gonna wanna put this top up with it halfway up because it's gonna look just like a Transformer. It looks super cool. Now check out the interior. Look inside there. You wanna talk about beautiful? Everything looks like it's brand new. It's like turn the clock back to 1959, the car show. This thing is beautiful, man. I tell you what, and unique as can be. You see all of the detail in this thing, all the stainless, all the chrome inside, all the piping, all the special threads and the materials. The carpeting's all brand new. I mean, just everything about this car. No stone was unturned on this one. I tell you what, she is a beauty. Like I said earlier, I've seen a lot of these cars and you just don't see them done to this quality whatsoever, especially the bottom. You gotta stick with us on this video and see the whole thing because at the end, we're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see the bottom of the car. I mean, look at all the trim back here. Look at this all highly polished stainless, looking beautiful. That Fairlane emblem with the 500 in gold. And look at the taillight lenses. I mean, everything looks like it's brand new. Can you imagine the amount of work that went into making those look like they were 1959? Again, all the stainless, all the chrome on this side looking absolutely gorgeous. The way the doors fit, everything's looking sweet as can be, right down to the hubcaps, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful ride. How it goes down. All right, let's take the retractable for a ride. You want to talk about class? This is class right here, baby. Top goes down and it's a hard top both. What a sweetheart ride, man. Tell you what, probably one of the coolest cars out there. I tell you, a lot of engineering went into that. That was back in the day when they did everything with slide rules and rulers and pencils. Nowadays, of course, they'd use CAD and CAM and computers and robots and all kind of stuff to build this. This thing was built by hand, baby. Tape measures and pencils and hammers and files. These guys really had some talent back in the day. Now we can deliver this beauty anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will go over just how easy that process is. So you can call him anytime and he'll tell you all about it. Also, we can help out with financing. And please do us a favor, help us out with our YouTube channel. Make sure you share this video with your buddies. And if you haven't subscribed to our page, please do that. We get new cars in every day. We're posting new videos just about every day, so you can check out all the new inventory we're getting in. You can see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet, looking brand new. All the chrome looks good, all the paint looks good. Now the steering wheel is not perfectly straight right now, but rest assured, once this baby goes through the inspection process and that we put it up on our computerized laser alignment rack, we'll make sure that steering wheel's nice and straight for you. While we're talking about that, one of the things we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go back to the shop and put this baby up in the air and show you what the bottom side looks like. Now, we're not like those other guys who just put up the nice cars. At Vanguard, every car goes up on the lift. You know why? Because all of our cars are the nice cars. We don't buy anything that's not nice and worthy of putting on the lift and showing off. You might want to get yourself some mirrors and put underneath this one. I tell you what, she is pretty. So we're pulling into the shop right now. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're going in the air right now. We are underneath the 59, and I tell you what, it's probably the best one I've ever seen, and I've looked at a lot of them. You can see the lizard skin that is primer color, which is super nice, real easy to wipe off. Good looking paint, brand new exhaust. Looks like the spring packs have been all painted up, looking good. We got new shocks, we got new brake lines. The center section is a Ford 9-inch. It is a 355 gear. Looks like new U-bolts, and on the brakes here, the guys will pull those all apart. Drums look like they're fairly new. Gas tank looks like it's a new unit. I mean, everything under here is painted up, looking good. I mean, look at the size of these I-beams they've made the frame out of. I mean, can you imagine? This thing will hold up a bridge. We got the stock appearing mufflers here. We got the Ford-O-Matic transmission. That's a 3-speed automatic. I mean, everything under here. Power steering, just looking sweet. Lower control arms all painted up. Sway bar bushings new. The guys will check out all the brakes. Everything's there good. Looks like all the bushings up here in the lower control arms are new. I mean, just everything looks brand new under here. You can tell the chrome on the front bumper's new. Back side of the front bumper is just about as clean as the front side. I mean, it is just amazing under here. You are definitely going to need some mirrors to put underneath this car when you go to a car show. Look at those wheel wells there. Make sure you show off your wheel wells too, because everything up in there is painted too. It's beautiful. We got good looking hubcaps on the wide whites here. These are Firestones. And if I could see the size, I'd tell you. There it is, 215/75 14s. And then that gray paint, man, does it look beautiful. You can see all the hardware's nice. The body mounts are nice. The frame's looking good. Frame's all painted up nice, bright black. Bottom side of the rocker, I tell you what, it is gorgeous. Out back here, we got the same size tire, same good looking hubcap, and then the rear wheel wells have got that lizard skin primer color underneath there too. And then all the stainless is just looking gorgeous. Let's lower this baby down and look under the hood. All right, it's just as pretty under here. Look at that air cleaner. Now underneath that air cleaner is a Edelbrock 4-barrel carb, and you can see that it's got a late model AC compressor on it also. You can see the radiator looks stock, and it looks like a rebuilt unit, all cleaned up, painted good. Bottom side of the hood's all painted up, looking sweet. So she is power steering. It is manual brakes. Everything under here is looking sweet. All the wires are looking good. All the hoses are looking good. I mean, she's just absolutely gorgeous, guys. So give us a call at 248. Oh, and by the way, this is a 352. That's the FE family. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.